Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can set shipping address in Temu. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of the choice. In the top of the web browser, there is a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Temu and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Temu, and their official website will be shown to you. And when you are inside the official website, this is what you can clearly see, or this is the interface that you will be able to see. So shipping address is by default set as the address of your region or country. If you have chosen your region as Australia, currently I have chosen my region in Australia, so this is my shipping address. You can also click on the change country and region by clicking on the EN sign that is in the navigation bar of the right hand side. Just click over there and there will be change country / region, and you can just click there and this interface will be opened. And in order to change your shipping address, just click on the country that you want to change the shipping address to, and there is another way for you to change the shipping address, that is go to the card section that is in the top right hand side. Just click on the cards and there will be products that you have added to carts, and in the right hand side there is checkout button. Just click on the checkout button. Now you just have to click again on the continue to checkout button. After that, this interface will be shown, and here in the shipping address there will be shown country / region. You can just click on that box and you will be able to choose the region where you want your order to be shipped. So this is how you can set shipping address in Temu. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.